10 must-see places in Uzbekistan. Did you know Uzbekistan is home to one of the oldest cities in the world? It's true. This Central Asian gem is packed with history and culture just waiting to be explored. Stick around, because I'm about to take you on a journey to discover 10 must-see spots in this incredible country. Welcome to Uzbekistan, a hidden treasure in Central Asia. With its stunning architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture, it's a destination that deserves a spot on every traveler's bucket list. From ancient Silk Road cities to breathtaking natural landscapes, Uzbekistan has it all. So, grab your bags and let's dive into the top 10 places you absolutely need to visit. Samarkand, the jewel of the Silk Road. Samarkand is a city that encapsulates the grandeur of the Silk Road, standing as a testament to the ancient world's thriving trade and cultural exchanges. Known for its mesmerizing blue-tiled monuments, Samarkand is often referred to as the jewel of Central Asia. At its heart lies the majestic Registan Square, a stunning ensemble of 3 madrasas adorned with intricate mosaics, showcasing the architectural brilliance of the Timurid era. The Shah Zinda necropolis offers a spiritual journey through a series of beautifully decorated mausoleums, while the Guri Amir Mausoleum, the resting place of the great conqueror Timur, impresses with its grandeur and historical significance. Beyond the architectural wonders, Samarkand is a vibrant city where tradition and modernity intertwine, offering visitors a chance to explore bustling bazaars, taste local delicacies like plav, and experience the warm hospitality of its people. Whether you are a history enthusiast or a curious traveler, Samarkand promises an unforgettable journey into the past, where every corner reveals a new story of its ancient legacy. Bukhara, a living museum. Bukhara, often described as a living museum, is one of Uzbekistan's most ancient and historically rich cities. Steeped in over 2,000 years of history, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of well-preserved Islamic architecture, medieval mosques, and bustling bazaars. The city's centerpiece is the Ark Fortress, an ancient citadel that once served as the royal residence and now stands as a symbol of Bukhara's long-standing political and military importance. Nearby, the towering Kalyan Minaret, known as the Tower of Death, impresses with its intricately carved brickwork, while the Bolo House Mosque, with its elegant wooden columns, reflects the region's unique architectural style. Walking through Bukhara's narrow alleys feels like stepping back in time, where each building tells a story of the city's role as a major stop on the Silk Road. The city is also a spiritual hub, home to many Sufi shrines and madrasas. As you explore, don't miss the chance to relax in a traditional chaikhana, tea house, and sample Bukhara's famous shashlik kebabs. Bukhara's charm lies in its timeless atmosphere, where the past seamlessly blends with the present, offering travelers a rare glimpse into the heart of Uzbekistan's history and culture. Khiva, a desert oasis. Khiva, an enchanting desert oasis in the Khorasan region, is a city where time seems to stand still. Famous for its well-preserved medieval architecture, Khiva offers an immersive glimpse into the past, particularly within the ancient walled city of Kala, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city's towering mud brick walls, minarets, and domes transport visitors back to the era of the Silk Road. The Kalta Minor Minaret, though unfinished, is one of Khiva's most iconic landmarks, with its vibrant turquoise tiles that contrast beautifully against the sandy desert backdrop. Within the walls of Kala, you'll find the Juma Mosque, with its forest of intricately carved wooden columns, and the Kunyu Ark, a fortress that once served as the residence of Khiva's rulers. Khiva's labyrinth of narrow streets is filled with historical wonders at every turn, from ancient madrasas to grand palaces. As evening falls, the city takes on a magical glow, with the ancient walls and monuments illuminated under the starry desert sky. Khiva's unique charm lies in its ability to transport travelers to a bygone era, offering an unforgettable journey through the history and culture of Uzbekistan's Silk Road heritage. Tashkent, the modern capital. Tashkent, Uzbekistan's vibrant and modern capital, is a city of striking contrasts where ancient history meets contemporary life. As the largest city in Central Asia, Tashkent is a bustling metropolis with broad boulevards, lush parks, and Soviet-era architecture alongside historic sites that reflect the city's rich Islamic heritage. The Khast Imam Complex is a spiritual hub in the Old Town, home to the world-famous Uthman Quran, believed to be the oldest Quran in existence. Tashkent is also known for its impressive Korsu Bazaar, a lively market where you can find everything from fresh produce to traditional crafts under the domes of this centuries-old trading center. Amir Timur Square, a symbol of the city's Soviet past, is a great spot to soak in the atmosphere of modern Tashkent, surrounded by government buildings and grand monuments. One of the highlights of the city is its metro system, which is not only an efficient way to get around but also a work of art, with each station featuring unique and ornate designs. Whether you're exploring the historic mosques, enjoying the vibrant cafe culture, or admiring the blend of Soviet and modern architecture, Tashkent offers a dynamic experience that showcases the evolving spirit of Uzbekistan. Shahrisab's birthplace of Tamerlane. Shahrisab's, a small yet historically significant city, is famously known as the birthplace of the great conqueror Tamerlane, Timur. Located just south of Samarkand, this ancient city was once a major center of the Timurid Empire, and today it stands as a tribute to Tamerlane's legacy. The most prominent landmark in Shahrisab's is the AK Saray Palace, the ruins of what was once a grand palace commissioned by Tamerlane himself. Despite being in ruins, the remaining fragments of the palace walls give a glimpse into the grandeur of this massive structure, with its intricate tilework and imposing height. Another key attraction is the Dorat Tilavat complex, a religious site that includes the Kok Gumbaz Mosque, built by Tamerlane's grandson, Ulu Beg. This serene complex, with its elegant blue domes and courtyards, reflects the architectural style of the Timurid period. Shahrisab's offers travelers a quieter, less crowded experience compared to other Silk Road cities, allowing for a more intimate exploration of its historical treasures. Whether you're walking through the ancient streets or marveling at the remnants of Tamerlane's empire, Shahrisab's offers a unique journey into the heart of Uzbekistan's storied past. Fergana Valley, the Garden of Uzbekistan. The Fergana Valley, often referred to as the Garden of Uzbekistan, is a lush and fertile region surrounded by mountains and known for its vibrant culture, rich history, and artisanal traditions. This picturesque valley is the agricultural heart of Uzbekistan, producing an abundance of fruits, vegetables, and silk, thanks to its favorable climate. One of the main highlights of the region is the city of Marjalan, famous for its ancient silk-making traditions. Here, you can visit the Aydarkul Lake silk factory to witness the intricate process of silk production, from the weaving of raw silk to the creation of stunning textiles. The valley is also home to the city of Kokand, where the Grand Kokand Palace, with its beautifully decorated halls and courtyards, stands as a testament to the region's royal heritage. Rishton, another city in the valley, is renowned for its unique ceramics, with workshops that have been producing beautiful blue and green pottery for centuries. Despite its deep cultural roots, the Fergana Valley remains less touristy than Uzbekistan's famous Silk Road cities, offering visitors an authentic experience of rural life, warm hospitality, and traditional craftsmanship. Whether you're exploring the colorful bazaars, meeting local artisans, or enjoying the natural beauty of the valley, Fergana promises a journey into the soul of Uzbekistan's cultural heritage. Termez, the southern frontier. Termez, located on the southernmost frontier of Uzbekistan near the border with Afghanistan, is a city with a rich history that stretches back over 2,500 years. Often overlooked by travelers, Termez is a treasure trove of ancient ruins and diverse cultural influences, from Buddhism to Islam, reflecting its strategic position on the ancient trade routes. One of the city's most significant attractions is the Kara Tepe Buddhist Monastery, where you can explore the remnants of one of the oldest Buddhist sites in Central Asia. The nearby Fayaz Tepe is another remarkable Buddhist archaeological site, offering a glimpse into Termez's ancient past. For those interested in Islamic history, the Al-Hakim At-Tirmizi complex, named after the 9th century Sufi scholar, is a revered pilgrimage site. The Sultan Saadat Mausoleum, a complex of mausoleums dedicated to the Sayyid dynasty, adds to Termez's rich spiritual and architectural heritage. With its unique blend of cultures and religious sites, Termez offers a different perspective on Uzbekistan, far from the more frequented Silk Road cities. Travelers to Termez should also be mindful of its proximity to the Afghan border, making it important to stay informed about local security conditions. Despite its remote location, Termez rewards those who visit with a deep dive into the ancient history and spiritual significance of Central Asia. Nukus, the cultural outpost. Nukus, the remote capital of the autonomous Karakalpakstan region, is often considered Uzbekistan's hidden gem, known for its cultural richness despite its isolated location in the desert. At the heart of Nukus is the Savitsky Museum, home to one of the world's most extensive collections of Soviet avant-garde art. The museum's founder, Igor Savitsky, famously rescued thousands of pieces of banned and forgotten art, turning Nukus into a cultural oasis in the middle of the desert. Beyond its artistic treasures, Nukus is also the gateway to the haunting landscape of the Aral Sea, one of the world's worst environmental disasters. A visit to the Aral Sea will take you through desolate ship graveyards and offer a sobering glimpse into the devastating impact of human intervention on nature. Another must-see is the ancient Mizdakan necropolis, where visitors can explore centuries-old mausoleums and tombs. Despite its remote location, Nukus offers a profound journey into Uzbekistan's modern art, history, and the ongoing story of the Aral Sea. For travelers seeking a destination off the beaten path, Nukus provides a unique blend of culture, history, and stark natural beauty that few other places can match. Aydarkul Lake, a desert getaway. Aydarkul Lake, a stunning oasis in the heart of the Kyzylkum Desert, offers a tranquil escape from Uzbekistan's bustling cities. This massive artificial lake, formed during Soviet irrigation projects, is now a peaceful retreat for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Surrounded by golden sand dunes, Aydarkul is a haven for those seeking serenity, with crystal-clear waters perfect for swimming, fishing, or simply relaxing on the shore. The lake's desert setting makes it an ideal spot for a unique overnight stay in a traditional yurt camp. Here, visitors can experience the nomadic lifestyle of Central Asia, complete with camel rides and campfire meals under the vast desert sky. As night falls, the clear, unpolluted skies provide an unforgettable stargazing experience. For travelers interested in birdwatching, Aydarkul Lake is also a sanctuary for various migratory birds, making it a great destination for wildlife enthusiasts. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a chance to connect with nature, Aydarkul Lake offers a perfect desert getaway, blending the beauty of the wilderness with the cultural richness of the region's nomadic traditions. Chimgan Mountains, nature's paradise. The Chimgan Mountains, located just outside of Tashkent, are a breathtaking natural haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Known for their stunning alpine scenery, these mountains form part of the Western Tian Shan Range and offer a diverse array of activities throughout the year. In the warmer months, the Chimgan Mountains are a paradise for hikers, with trails winding through lush valleys, forests, and meadows filled with wildflowers. The Chimgan Peak, also known as Little Switzerland, provides panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and the sparkling waters of the Charvak Reservoir below. Visitors can enjoy a variety of outdoor pursuits such as horseback riding, paragliding, and rock climbing. During the winter, the area transforms into a popular ski resort, attracting both locals and international travelers with its powdery slopes and crisp mountain air. The Charvak Reservoir, with its turquoise waters, is a perfect spot for water sports, boating, or simply relaxing by the shore. Whether you're looking for adventure or a peaceful retreat in nature, the Chimgan Mountains offer an idyllic escape from the urban hustle, with the opportunity to experience Uzbekistan's natural beauty at its finest. So there you have it, 10 must-see spots in Uzbekistan that showcase its incredible history, culture, and natural beauty. From the ancient cities of Samarkand and Bukhara to the stunning landscapes of the Chimgan Mountains, Uzbekistan is bursting with experiences just waiting to be discovered. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite spots in Uzbekistan? Or are there any places I missed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out another travel adventure on my channel for even more inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!